It's all gone. Huh? Is someone there? Ah! What the? What happened? How did I end up in... Ah! What are they doing to me? Let me go! Let me go! You don't know who you're messing with! No! Come back! Ah! What happened to me? My other colors, they're gone! And I'm so tiny! What the heck is going on here?
I'm freaking out right now! Why am I all orange? Where did the other colors go? Who took them? I think we were all split up into our own colors. We need to recombine as fast as we can to make things right again.
You know, I've always kind of wanted to be on my own. Being stuck together with all three of you softies really held me back.
But with our emotions unbalanced...
Blah, blah, blah. Look, we all know anger is the most powerful emotion, and that's what I got. Therefore, I'm the leader of our little group of colors.
Fine by me. I'm way too scared to be in charge. Yeah, I'm confused how this happened, but I don't want the responsibility of fixing it.
Guys, come on! Shut up! Like I said, I'm the new boss around here. I'm the alpha color, and everyone's gonna listen to me or pay the consequences. Capiche?
Yes, sir!
Good. Then follow me.
If they team up, there's no way I can beat them. I'm only a quarter of my normal strength. I'll have to convince them to be on my side somehow.
Listen up. We're in charge of Playtime Co. now, which means we're gonna take on anyone in this factory who thinks they're better than us. Yellow, you get Yarnaby.
Please, anybody but him. He's so scary.
Orange, you get Pianosaurus.
The dinosaur guy? No way, I can't.
And I'm taking on the biggest threat of them all, Catnap. Now split up.
There's gotta be something here that'll squish us back together, or at least stun them long enough that I can grab them, or... They split up. Maybe I can take them one-on-one instead. And if I can turn orange and yellow to my side, I bet we can take on red together. Okay, Doey, you can do this. He's fast asleep. You just have to sneak up there and take him out using the element of surprise. Uh-oh. Not so tough now, are you? Pianosaurus! Where are you? All right, remember what Red said. Just stand your ground and...
Such a cute, happy little area. It makes me sick. Where's Catnap? The great defender of play care. He needs to be put in his place.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah, it is. Us Doeys are running things around here from now on.
There's multiple of you now. What on earth is going on down there in Safe Haven? Where's the real Doey?
He's not important anymore, and neither are you.
Don't try it. Ha! Killing you was even easier than I thought.
That's what he gets for picking a fight with me. Big, strong, yellow. Ah! Hurting other toys doesn't make you tough. Us Doeys are supposed to be protectors, not bullies. I'm sorry. I only did it because Red said so. Why are you blindly following what he says to do? Because if I don't, he'll hurt me. He's the strongest out of all of us. Red doesn't care about you. He cares about being in charge. And if we combine forces, we can totally take Red down. Especially if we get Orange on our side too. We can convince him. I'm sure of it. Yarnaby, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Apologize later. We need to go find the others before it's too late. This ought to teach you not to mess with Red's gang. Wait! Stop! Orange, he's already suffered enough. You shouldn't have attacked him at all. But Red said, Red's the real enemy here. Did you actually want to hurt Pianosaurus? What has he ever done to you? You're right. Red's going mad with power, and I helped. We're teaming up to stop him. Do you know where he went? He said he's taking on Catnap. Oh no! Either Catnap's gonna crush him and we'll be separated for good, or he'll beat up Catnap and try to take over Playcare. Where are they? I hear them!
Help me! Help me!
We got you, Catnap!
Did you forget how strong I am? Even the three of you combined aren't tougher than me. Why even try?
Guys, we can't beat Red with brute force. Somehow, we just have to convince him to recombine. Why convince him when we can force him? Maybe if we use the force of us colliding, and we all splatter into each other, we'll merge back together. You guys are geniuses. Red might have got the brawn, but we got the brains. You two distract him. I think I know what to do. Hey, Red! You think you're so strong, don't you?
Because I am strong!
If you were actually strong, you would have taken on Pianosaurus and Yarnaby yourself. We beat them all on our own, and you can't even beat Catnap.
I can breathe. Thank you.
You idiots! I'll kill you! I don't need your help! I am the strongest in the world! Just watch!
Hey, Red!
Huh? Cannonball!
Sorry to drop in on you like that.
You idiots!
I'm not gonna miss the
When I get out of here, I'll... there we go. All better.
Doey, you're back to normal.
I knew I'd be okay. Nothing wrong with getting a little emotional sometimes.